going to go ahead and drain the radiator, open up the petcock, and drain out the antifreeze. You can use a catch can or a drip pan. Going to go ahead and close the drain. I'm going to go ahead and remove the upper clamp here for the radiator hose. We're now going to go ahead and remove this hose clamp. Loosen it up. Slide this clamp back. With that clamp loose, we're going to go ahead and work that hose off. Go ahead and twist and work that upper hose off. Go ahead and install the upper hose. Slide that on, adjust this, and slide this onto the water neck. Okay, go ahead and pinch up that hose clamp, slide that down and into place. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the upper. I'm going to go ahead and remove the cap. Set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and grab a clean funnel. I'm going to go ahead and start filling the system. All right, so once we have this filled up, we did fill it just above the cold line here because once we start up the engine, it's going to suck that down, but you want to make sure that you put the cap on because this is a vacuum sealed system and it will not pull that coolant down if it doesn't have the full vacuum. Make sure that's tight. I'm going to go ahead and start up the vehicle and let the engine pull us down and purge any air bubbles out itself.